Hey, get in here and do the dishes, all right? Are you just like laying back in the couch? Come on, I don't even have it. Get in here.
Stop.
No. Get in here.
No, I'm
now.
I'm eating right here.
Okay, you're almost done with your food?
No, I'm not. I still have this big portion left.
You told me that you had bigger plans for tomorrow, so get in here now. All right, we got to do the dishes right now. Come on.
No.
You're not going to be a lazy child of the modern age. Sitting there on your little pod thing. You know?
That's not a problem.
Come on. Right now. I want you to wash these dishes. Cast iron. You're wasting time. This video is going to be way too long.
I'm tired right now. Crap.
This is going to be too long. So I'm all alone in the kitchen, and my daughter doesn't want to participate. I'm going to give her the chicken breast, put that in a separate bowl for lunch tomorrow. And what I'm doing is I'm going through all of this and getting any kind of skin or bones and just throwing it back into the stock pot there. And we're going to grind it down one more time for a long simmer, like any kind of bones like this. We want the skin. This is going to be really nice tomorrow once the fat layer sets up. It's going to be awesome. And that's the way you get it. Okay, so what I've done here is all the chicken's out of there. We've got the stock down in the bottom. We're going to put that in the fridge for the night. This is for my daughter's lunch. And then this is all the meat that I picked off. And then this is all the bones and skin, and there's meat in there too. So what I'm going to do is put some vinegar in and some more water, and I'm going to let that go for another 12 hours. We're going to get that too. So I'm looking in the cupboards. Oh, here we go. Apple cider vinegar. Right here. That's what we want. We want apple cider, not white. I was going to use this on an emergency. This is vinaigrette. So we'll just a little dose, like that. That's good. I'm also going to add some sea salt. Not that much. It helps break things down. So I watched people online chopping up chaga in a cooler and stuff. I just went ahead and got this out here. Just use a hammer. We can make our chunks. I'm going to make some chaga tea tonight. This works really well. And for this batch, I'm going to put some of this frozen chaga I got. And some that's really frozen in there. I'm going to throw that in there. And then I'm going to put a bunch of water. Maybe one more. And that's it. Okay, I put a bunch of spices in. I went with the turmeric, this kind of smoky maple spicy stuff, basil, paprika, and I've got some more chaga. I'm gonna put that in. It finally thawed out a bit. I'm gonna put that in there, and I put nettle leaf in, and just mix it around. And we're gonna go for probably 12 hours on this. I won't get these chagas back too well. I'm gonna go right through it. And we're just gonna make the superfood. Here we go. Alright. Don't forget the black pepper. That's always really important. This is we're going right down for the bone marrow. I'm going to put more water in, just a little bit.